I'm not sure what happened to Aaron's audio, but he's on his way to Sacramento to pick up his lift. This is his journey.
Interesting.
Going, boss?
Morning.
Shooting up.
I got a 2-post lift and some straps.
Me, do you want to say, let's say good morning to the chicks. Come on, let's say hi. Good morning, little peepers. We got to change their water today. Emma saying good morning. Mimi, Bubba, should we go?
No. Yes.
Should I close the garage?
No.
Are we going to go on a walk?
Mimi has hurt.
Oh. Hey, we got to be careful, okay? What? I just don't want Bubba to run you over. Do you need a jacket? It's
No.
kind of cold.
Yeah. Yes.
No jacket? Bandit!
Baby.
Why would you do that? The heck? What is his problem?
I know. Poop.
He peed.
A peep.
He peed on Mama's car. What's wrong with him? How dare you pee on Mimi's car? Go tell him. Go tell him. Say, no, no, no.
No. I was twice. You were going to potty. Mimi.
Good job, Mimi. Do you want a jacket? It's cold.
I want Mimi. We're going to do a course.
I know. He peed on Mimi's car. Oh, my goodness.
The mama course.
Hi.
The Mimi going course is yuck.
I know. Yuck. Mimi, let me get you a jacket. What are we doing today? Let's go for a walk. On your mark.
Go.
Get set.
No,
Go.
go.
Go. What? Come on, let's go for a walk. Let's get them legs moving.
I can Mimi.
Okay, Mama, wait for Mimi. Come on, Mies.
Yes, Mimi.
Okay, you want to hold Mama's hand? Cold today.
This is Mama's jacket.
This is Mama's jacket. I like Mimi's jacket. Mimi's jacket has her name on the back.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Oh, Emma, drop it.
Stop it.
She stole your ball. Are we okay with that?
This sweet old thing. Right there. God damn. Good, how are you?
Look at the deer print. Look, there's a deer. Yeah, where's the Mimi print?
Me piece.
Oh, it is a Mimi print. Okay, ready? Should we race? On your mark. Get set. Go!
No! Let's go. Let's say go.
I know, Bandit hurt you, huh? We could still play when Bandit's not around. I'm sorry Bandit hurt you.
I'm sorry to hurt your hand, Mom.
Yeah. How was your day?
I'm just really sorry for my nice cat.
Really? Mimi, what's your favorite animal? Do you like dogs?
I don't know what to do.
Do you like dinosaurs?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Is dinosaur your favorite?
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm sorry for this first one.
Really? Emma, come on. Wow, Mimi, you're so cool. Yeah? Wow.
Still one more. You still want can.
Oh, do you want to hold hands?
Mhm.
Okay. Mama loves holding your hand. You want to hold the camera? Okay.
Okay, Mom.
Yeah. You can't see your face. Where's your face?
Pee. I can't pee.
Come on, Emma. We gotta wait for Emma.
They don't know.
Here, look. You wanna hold?
No.
Not anymore? Okay. Going for a walk on the property. Should we run?
No, Mom.
Okay. Gosh, Bandit hurt you once. You want to step on that rock?
No, don't.
Whoa, look at her.
Mama, too.
Mama too? Okay.
I don't.
Oh, thank goodness you were holding Mom's hand. She got scared.
Guys.
Oh, Mimi, go on this rock. Okay, ready? Set, jump. Oh. Whoa, she's so brave. Goodness gracious. She's so cool. I don't see any more rocks. We're going to have to find some. Maisie and I are in the skid steer, not knowing what to do, but we're going to try. Ah! You excited? Should we go? Can you hold it? Oh, this hand. Ready? You got it? Out of the way. Is that so cool? We're getting there. Okay, ready? Emma, watch out. Wow, look at all that. Whoa, look at all that. Mama May got us stuck. Sorry, Mama got us stuck. Well, we started clearing, but I got stuck, which did not know how to do that. Anyways, well, I learned by trying. Whoa, hey! Now Maisie is, you know, there. Hey, stop it! Okay, you're done. Stop honking that horn at me.
No, we're done.
The keys, it's stuck. It's stuck. Look, this is the road we were on, and Mama got it stuck. Stop it. It's too loud, you stinker. And I got it stuck. Dada's gonna have to come bail us out. Oh, stop it. Stop it, you little turkey. Alright, we gotta go for I gotta go for my walk. Let's go.
No, Dad.
No walk. Come on, let's go.
No.
Look, the dogs want to go for a walk. Emma's got a big stick. Look at that thing. Emma, give me that stick. Give me that stick. Gosh, dang it. You keep scaring me. All right, let's go. Yes, Mama got it stuck. This is the road we're supposed to be on, and it's all the way over there. So, we got to go get Dada so Dada can try to get us unstuck. Because Mama doesn't know how to do that. She just gets things stuck, okay? And then, you know what? We'll come back out and we'll play some more. I had fun. Did you have fun? Should we do it again? Should we do it again? Yeah? Oh, Mama missed this whole section though. I'll have to come back for that.
Well, I'm pretty pumped about this one. It's a 10,000 pound 2-post lift. It is cable under, but since we're gonna be starting with a fresh pad, we can make provisions for the cables to run a little lower so the low cars can still get over it. It was quite the journey this morning though. We left here at about 6:15 and arrived there at 8. And then before, yeah, it was afternoon, after 12 p.m. before we left. So Friday, the day that the last day to pull your stuff out before they start charging storage fees. Probably not the best time to go, but you know, aside from getting things done around here, which is just not important at all, we're doing fine. I mean, that thing will be huge. I'm really excited to get it all set up. It'll still be a while. It's gonna basically go where the RV is right now, is what I'm thinking. We'll just put a concrete pad in here, put the lift on it. We already got power right on the corner of the shop there, and I don't mind. You know, we've got that side yard I really like working in the back building, so I don't really mind doing the work and walking back and forth, especially if I can get have a cart that can tote tools.
So Maisie and I went for a walk today and we played with the skid steer. Did not know how to use it.
Mom, look me out.
And I cleared a lot of the path. But yeah, I got real stuck. Do you want to see the video?
Yeah.
Maisie had so much fun.
I can't leave you anywhere. The girls were on a walk and happened to stumble upon some rental equipment in the forest and got it stuck. And the greatest part about this is we got this piece of equipment yesterday. I neglected to record. Would have been good content, but hey baby, I was focused on that. Hey lady, yeah, I'm here. Hi. Hey.
You want to go unstick a... Come.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, Mimi, you ready? Yeah. Are we walking? Okay. We'll see you soon.
We rented a skid steer. We're going to put a barn in. Need to do some grading, dirt work. And yeah, the girls found it in the forest last night, or today, while I was gone, and got it stuck while they were clearing a trail. So, pretty pumped that they just went for it. That was pretty cool. I did not expect that from Kaylin, so I love that. I love that about that lady. But we're gonna go do some recovery work. I'm not sure. Last night I needed the winch. Things got dicey last night when I got it stuck. I mean, I was alone. God, they're so cute. Kaylin was dealing with Maisie, so I was doing a solo recovery, and we had to break out all the stops. Took 2 cars, the winch, the Yankum, a couple chains, snatch block, every shackle I got. We did some damage, unfortunately. We're gonna have to do some metal work just to get it shaped back right. But yeah, all right, let's go see what these girls got us into. See if we can get this thing unstuck. That's a good looking truck right there. Mighty fine. Well, this seems to be the problem with a wheeled excavator here. This is what I'm learning. So we had to get the wheeled one because weight. They wouldn't let me take the tracked one without a bigger trailer. Honestly, they should have let me take this one with the trailer I had, but we're not going to tell them about that. But this has happened. This is the 3rd time we've had to tug this thing out of a similar predicament. So it's kind of a bummer. But oh well. The girls have done quite a bit. I mean this could use another raking, but it's pretty good. We did all this. Hey, ladies. Hey. Ah.
Right?
Yeah,
I don't know where we started.
I can show you.
Is it where you got stuck last?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
Yeah, pretty far.
I mean,
Some spots.
I basically got it unstuck and then
Left it there.
it was like, I'm done for the night.
We missed a few spots.
Yeah,
But we did good overall.
it's fine. I wrecked up there.
Not knowing how to do it.
So this was my mess.
Yeah, okay,
You did, yeah.
we didn't do like as deep of a job. Also, I think it was past this point, so this would have not been us.
It was right here, right around here.
So,
When I
unless you like parked on top of it, because we just started going forward. We didn't know what we were doing.
no, I like pulled up. I did a little bit of work after it got out, but
Yeah.
then the truck was like right here, and I just pulled up behind it.
Come on, let's go unstick it so we can drive it some more.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. This
So
way.
yeah, we basically like been just like these all looked just like this here, just covered in leaves and really unrecognizable aside from the path between the trees. So working on getting it cut down. This was kind of just the learning curve here. So ultimately we rented this to clear the pad for the barn. But this is beneficial too. It gives us a little bit of a fire break and widens the trail. Makes it so that walking on this summer is going to be less sketchy. Won't have to worry about snakes popping out at you. You'll see them coming, hopefully. Yeah, this thing it has some trouble in the mud, you know. Well, are we going to do it, lady, or what? Yeah. Get in there. Get in there, raise the bucket. I gotta fix that step. I did that.
You did the step?
Yeah.
How'd you break the step?
With my chains, with my recovery last night.
Sorry.
So
This thing right here?
yeah. Look at this.
Ready?
I could get used to that.
We don't want to.
Good Lord, Macy.
That's too much. Can you hold this?
Hey, cuties. Okay, turn it off or lock it out.
I don't know how to lock it out.
You just press the green button there.
Oh, okay.
Do not want this to come down on me.
Why not?
What'd you get, Emma?
She found the little Velcro ball. Slash stole it from.
What am I trying to do here? No, I know. I'm just having a brain fart. I want my rope right here. How do I get my rope right here? I don't think I can.
Just put your feet up there.
You're stuck. You're strapped in, girl. This thing put in some work yesterday. This shop. This. All right. I want you to start it back down. I want you to bring the bucket down a little bit. I want you to like tilt it so it's like blocking you guys
Blocking us,
from the rope.
like down.
Yeah.
Okay.
So tilt down first. Okay, now come down. Right there. Can you still see me? Cool.
Do you want us to put the wheel forward as you pull us?
Yeah, you're gonna have to help. I did nothing there. You just walked right out. I didn't even get this rope tight.
I literally tried.
Why are you screaming? Can I show you my trick? Can I show you the trick I learned? Okay. So pick your bucket up. Like lift it. Okay. Now tilt the bucket down. Keep going. So it's like vertical. Right there. And then you go backwards. And put it up so it's on the ground, and then go backwards and use this as like a blade to drag. And then slowly like lift it up if you need it. You're driving back into your hole though.
Huh?
You're starting to back into that hole.
The problem is, there's no speed to go that way.
I know, that's the problem with the wheels.
Yeah.
Because like once it starts to slide, you got no control. But yeah, that's, so like it just like,
Yeah, it looks a lot nicer.
yeah. So, all right. I'll just,
I don't know how to turn around.
well, you just turn it one direction and it spins. But you should get out of that first. And put your bucket down. And it moves. There you go. Now just turn your joystick left or right.
I think I'll go that way and I'll turn around up there.
Oh, bunch of cans. Bring it. Go get the ball.
Get your ball, Emma.
Good job. All right, y'all. Come on. Tree. Just turn it. Yeah. You're doing it. Hey! Ain't that a sight? Ain't that a sight? Just lift up the bucket a little. There you go. See how she's like crab walking? That's how you have to deal with this thing. It's like the smallest little slope. That thing's a lot of fun, but it's definitely a learning curve to drive. So she's gonna tear up this trail a little bit, And hopefully, before it gets too dark today, we'll get out there and we'll start planting the flags for our barn. And firewood. Firewood. I should come out here and get some of this.
Well, I got it stuck again. My knight in shining armor is coming to help me because I just made it worse. But that's okay. Look at him coming in the big old truck. Woo! He needs to fix that one light though. Look at that stud.
Got it stuck again, huh?
Yeah, my knight in shining armor.
Can't save you anyway.
Had to get my helper. I should really just stop driving it. That's what this is.
The only reason I'd agree with you is because I want to.
It's pretty fun.
Can you go forward?
No, do I need to do the same thing where I put the, or does it matter?
It's safety.
Huh?
He said, "Is mom okay?"
Mom's okay. Hi, Mimi. Oh no.
Gotta break up the big guy.
Oh no, we gotta get the yank him that way. I got it stuck. I'm so sorry.
At least you're having fun.
I cleared the trail,
Yeah.
so I got it stuck. All our gas is gonna go to Kaylin being stuck. We're gonna yank them. So same kind of thing, just go forward. Okay. Aaron says to put this down because it protects us from the chain, I guess. Oh shit. Why did I get it so stuck? Whoa. So sorry. I'm just having you practice, you know, if Matt's off road recovery ever needs your help. What does that do?
Huh?
Does that just give it a different...
It's a longer road.
Alright.
I don't know. I watched them do it. That's how I was last night, but I had to do it by myself.
Someone's a little bitter.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me you needed help.
Did you need help?
I asked for help. Did you ask for help?
I did. I said, I'm going to go get the gear, and then you just went home.
You did not ask for help. How was I supposed to read your mind? Where do you want me to park this thing?
Finish your trail.
Oh,
Put this away. Let me play.
you ready? Have fun. We'll bring you. Which side do you want us to bring the Subaru from? This side or that side? I'm gonna have to back this all the way up, so.
I'll see what I can do.
All right, love you. Have fun. Mimi, you ready? Should we go?
Nice. Yes. Go.
Ah!
Nice. Go.
Go!
I said go.
At least you were having fun.
Yeah, until just now.
Dad, you got
Hey, Mimi. Dad is stuck.
Yeah. So, I hate that thing.
Who else got stuck today?
I have been stuck in that more hours of the day for the last 2 days than I have been actually using it. And I don't know if it's operator error, which, full disclosure, it could be. I don't know. I assume that it's because it's got the wheels, and the wheels in our terrain don't mesh. That's
Well,
my.
it just rained too.
Well, that's what I mean in our terrain. Like, we've got uneven ground that's dirt and that's muddy. So there's that. So we got that. We got it out. We really wanted to clear a full trail. Did not make that happen.
We got a lot of it.
We got a lot, but Brandon will come by tomorrow or Saturday and destroy everything we just did. So, that's good. I mean, he's breaking in on trails. He's actually breaking them in pretty well. You know?
Yeah. Mimi, hold on.
But we came back out here and we started getting the layout going. Tomorrow Matthew's coming by, and he's going to be working the excavator, doing some grading. Sorry, God damn it, the skid steer. I'm going to bring the excavator out because we're going to have to use that for some of this stuff too. There's some stumps over here. Essentially, we've got
Come on, Mimi.
30 by 40 square here that we're going to, it's not a square, it's 30 by 40, but that we're going to level out, bring it down over there, bring it up over here, and then we've got a 20, so that's, the front of the building will be roughly here to the back flags there.
The garden goes down to those flags.
It's in my head.
It is in his
I
head.
can do all I can to demonstrate it. But yeah, basically, Matthew's gonna level this out for us. And he's gonna get this road set up, and
See if he has time to do more.
yeah, we're gonna be doing concrete footings over here for the shop. We're gonna do a gravel base so that it's pretty straightforward. We don't need, and then we're gonna have to work some drainage up on this backside to keep the floor from flooding. But it's not gonna be like a weather-tight building, like it's gonna be like a barn. That's really what it is.
Yeah.
It's a metal shed, but we're using it as a barn.
Yeah.
Stoked about the lift. That's a whole nother job. God, they just keep adding up. We have to have some concrete. We have to lay some concrete for that. And it's got to be 8 inches thick and like 15 feet long by like whatever. I think it's 12 foot wide. Like that's the minimum with reinforcements. So that'll be a fun one.
That'll be good.
I'm gonna go firewood hunting. Try to keep our house warm for while we have guests. And Kaylin's gonna go wrangle a baby. Well,
I'll
we
go
don't
do
have
some
any babies.
dishes.
She's gonna go wrangle a Maisie.
I'm gonna wrangle a toddler. Toddler. Maisie,
I gotta clean up the shop.
I'm gonna wrangle you. Let's go. Come on, Wrangler.
Baby, you and your people need to do our garden down there. Or our flower beds. Back here. Of course, I get all the way out there with the truck and all my gear. Start the chainsaw. Add a gas. To be fair, I sent the girls up to grab the Subaru with the chainsaw. I didn't tell them to check it. I also didn't fill it up last time or think about it, so my bad. We've got some of this firewood here. This is from that tree we fell. This stuff goes up so fast. There's like, it doesn't produce a lot. It's great for getting a fire started, but it's almost doesn't even burn hot enough to like transfer the flame. So a lot of the times I have to use like half a round of this in kindling in order to keep my fire going long enough to ignite my next piece. So it's usable in a pinch, but I think that's got to be pine. I'm gonna gotta find a tree identifier app because I need to learn the difference between all these piney trees. One of these is an evergreen, I think. I think that's a fir. I think this is an evergreen, and then like that back there, I think that's a pine, but like, I don't know, it kind of looks similar to this one here, the second one, and then like that one back there is like, so I don't know, I gotta learn. There's a nice big one over there. I'm pretty sure that's a cedar. I don't know. I really don't know. And since I got to be collecting firewood, we definitely need to know. Anyways, since the saw was dead, I went and picked up just a bunch of, these sizes, things I could just cut up into chunks. I think this stuff's going to be dry enough. This is the stuff we cut off the intersection, like right back over here. And it was off the ground and fallen for a while. So I'm going to take some of this and just chop it up just for shits and giggles. Got a few pieces of tucked oak back there that they've been tucked back there, they're hiding. And then not sure what this is, but it's going to get burnt. And then we've used what was left of the previous owner's firewood. So this will be fine. Dry enough. That one's a little wet. All right, this is probably too much right now for this pallet. getting a little gym set up in the garage. I'll show you that tonight. Start working on our fitness, you know, our health. Try to gain some of it back, you know. And a few of those are pretty wet. There's some dry ones too, but I noticed that, oh God. Now we go start a fire for my ladies. See how this wood's gonna burn.
Hi, babies. Hi, chickies. Okay, Mimi. You want to touch?
No bite.
No bite. Look, touch their butt. Look, touch their butt. Oh, so soft. Come here. Look, he's sleeping. Look, he's just laying in Mama's hand. Here, touch their butt. Good job. Touch his butt. Gentle. Oh, is he so soft? Do you like him? Do you want to hold him? Do you want to hold him? No? Okay. Can you pet? Be nice. Pet him.
Bite.
He doesn't bite. See?
It helped me.
Gentle. You want to pet him? Pet him. Nice peepers. Nice peepers. Go ahead. You can touch his butt.
Not hard. Bite.
He's not going to bite you, Mimi. Promise.
No bite. No bite.
Go ahead. Touch him.
No bite.
Okay, I'm going to put him back with his friends. He wants to be with his friends.
Okay.
Okay, you want to touch him?
No, no.
Okay. Can you pet him? Pet her? Go ahead, me. You can do it.
My feet.
I know.
That's my feet.
She's saying hi.
Feet.
I'll be damned, but that wood is it's too wet. So keep learning, keep scouting, keep trying to figure out what a good firewood timber looks like. I know I've got some standing ones that could be fell. I might get out there and do a fell tomorrow, but I don't know. I got so much on my plate. Got to get the shop cleaned up. Got to manage Matthew, and yeah. So that's that. We're just out here right now, hitting up the Blackstone. Couple pieces of pork tenderloin going. One of my favorite things to do with this tenderloin is I sous vide it first, not for long, maybe half an hour. Get it up, get the temperature of the meat up, not cold. Usually set the sous vide to like 90, 98, and because what I used to do, so I've tried this. I used to sous vide it to cook temperature and then sear it, and the meat was overcooked. So then I just slowly started working it down until I could get the right kind of sear that I'm after. Because the seasonings and stuff that I kind of marinate this in give it this like nice little crunch on the outside, and we love that. So this one won't balance for shit. Damn, I think I'm just rushing this other one way too much. Let the Big Daddy sit. Also, sorry about the audio change there. We left the mics in the car. And and just needed to close today's video out. So we basically we got some good stuff today. We went to the auction. That took 4 hours longer than I thought it would. Came back planning on working on the shop and getting things laid out front. Find out that the girls got stuck in the excavator. Had to go recover that. That sucked out like probably 2 or 3 days of because then once you're back there, it's like might as well play with it. And I got it stuck again and again, and then finally was like, just get me out of here. So we towed it out of the forest and got it up to the work site. Got our flags put down. Did get down to the shop, but the rest of the night I'm going to spend back here in this office just trying to get a video together. We still have the entire trip video. We've got just countless videos from around here. Nothing really makes sense. This is like the first video that kind of has a start, middle, and end, and even at that I didn't do great. I am working out kind of a game plan for the tractor. I really want to try to do something more like Vice Grip Garagey, kind of how he puts his videos together. So I've been watching a lot of Derek, studying him, because he's not just a talking head. He's kind of like, he's working. I'd like to show more, this morning in this video, kind of focused on, there wasn't much talking, because there wasn't much to say. You know what I mean? That's about it for today. I hope y'all have a good night. Thanks for sticking around, and this last week has been pretty hectic, so we're going to work on getting on a better schedule for the videos. Kaylin's got a bunch of time off right now, so I really can lock in and focus, and I've been so scatterbrained trying to do everything else, and I need to sit down, and the video is going to be my focus. So look forward to that. I'll catch you guys later.